Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve all their goals while others struggle to get going? The answer isn't some hidden power, but proven productivity strategies that anyone can apply to achieve more in less time. In today's video, we're going to reveal the secrets that the most productive people use to achieve real success in their lives and how you can start applying them in 2025. Stay tuned until the end because we have tips you won't want to miss. Let's go! Let's start with the first step to productivity: goals. Goals are the foundation of success, but not just any goals. Specific, well-defined goals are essential for turning your dreams into tangible objectives. And that's where SMART goals come in. The acronym SMART stands for S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, T for time-bound. How to set a SMART goal? Let's see a practical example. Specific. Instead of, I want to be healthier, set something clear, like, I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Measurable. Measure your progress. How many pounds have you lost? How many hours of training have you managed to do this week? Achievable. Your goal should be challenging but possible. Don't try to lose 60 pounds in a month, okay? Relevant. The goal must be aligned with what you really want in life. If losing weight is important to you, great. If not, maybe it's better to rethink your goal. Time-bound. Set a deadline. This creates urgency and keeps you focused. Bonus tip: use tools like Google Calendar to schedule and track your goals. Set dates and reminders. It makes all the difference. Now let's talk about a super simple technique, but one that makes all the difference in your day-to-day life: the 2-minute rule. The idea is very simple. If a task can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. It could be something like replying to a quick email, organizing your desk, or cleaning up something that's out of place. Small actions, when taken at the right time, help to avoid procrastination and keep the focus on what really matters. This technique helps reduce the buildup of small, annoying tasks that, if left undone, can become major distractions. When you start the day by tackling these tasks quickly, you already gain a sense of productivity. Now let's talk about some of the techniques most used by successful leaders and entrepreneurs. These techniques are applied by highly productive people around the world, and they can transform your performance. Let's start with 3 of them. Pomodoro technique. This technique is excellent for those who have difficulty concentrating for long periods. The idea is to divide your work into 25-minute sessions of intense focus, followed by 5 minutes of rest. Every 4 sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This system helps maintain concentration and gives your brain the rest it needs to function properly. Time blocking technique. This technique is about organizing your day into blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks. Instead of just listing things to do, you schedule fixed times to do them. This avoids distractions and improves productivity, as you know exactly what you are doing at every moment of your day. Eat that frog technique. This technique is perfect for those who suffer from procrastination. It suggests that you start your day by doing the most difficult or unpleasant task. This could be the most important task or the most difficult to perform. The reason? When you face the most challenging task first thing in the morning, the rest of the day becomes much easier. Bonus tip: try testing one of these techniques for a week and see which one best suits your style. You may identify with one of them or even mix elements of several to create a unique system. Now let's talk about something fundamental but often neglected: sleep and food. Sleep. The quality of your sleep directly impacts your productivity. Try to sleep between 7 to 8 hours a night. Lack of sleep impairs memory, concentration, and decision-making. When you sleep well, you wake up more energized and are able to stay focused throughout the day. Food. What you eat also affects your productivity. Foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber help keep your energy levels stable. Avoid processed foods and excess sugars, as they can cause energy spikes followed by sudden crashes. A simple tip: try to eat foods like eggs, nuts, avocado, legumes, and fruits. These foods help maintain focus and energy throughout the day. Now let's talk about something that is fundamental to your success: your mindset. The growth mindset, a concept popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, is the belief that your abilities can be developed with effort, learning, and persistence. This means that you can improve your abilities if you keep trying and learning. Tips for developing a growth mindset: embrace failures as learning. Don't see mistakes as failures, but as opportunities for growth. Celebrate small victories. Every little achievement counts. This creates a cycle of motivation that will help you stay focused on your goals. When you change your mindset, you start to see challenges as opportunities, and that will drive you to achieve great results. And of course, in an increasingly digital world, technology can be your greatest ally. Tools like Notion, Trello, and Todoist help you organize tasks, set goals, and stay focused. Plus, there are distraction blocking apps like Forest or Focus at Will, which help reduce time wasted on social media and increase your productivity. Bonus tip: try using a habit app to track and reinforce your good daily practices. This can be a great incentive to stay focused and build consistency over time. Now that you know the secrets to increasing your productivity and achieve your goals in 2025, it's time to put it all into practice. Start with small changes, implement one technique at a time, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. Productivity is a skill, and like any skill, it needs to be trained and developed over time. Did you like the tips? So leave your like, subscribe to the channel for more content on productivity and personal development. And I want to know, which of these strategies are you going to try first? Leave your comment below and share this video with someone who also needs to increase productivity in 2025. See you in the next video.